Welcome everybody. So we're continuing the elements of art. Today we're looking at space, which is generally divided into positive and negative. So make sure you're still doing the highlighting, make sure you're doing all the drawing. So positive space is the object itself, okay? And negative space is the area around or inside an object, okay? Now this artwork right here, if you look at the vases, that is the positive space, right? These actual vases. But if you look at the negative space, so this artist takes a really long time to create these, where he creates a negative space and he'll create the silhouette or other unique feature in the negative space. So like right here, he's got like a human in the negative space, right? So the negative space is the area in between or around an object, okay? And the positive space is the object itself, right? So in this one down here, the positive space are these little strings. So like all these little wispy bits of clay, that's the positive space. And the negative space is inside that. So like an example of negative space would be the empty space inside the center of a donut. So if you like donuts, the positive space is the part that you eat, right? The negative space is the empty part in the center of a donut, okay? So for these ones, I just want you to pick something that you can show positive and negative space. So like if you just want to do a simple vase as your positive and be like, this whole thing is positive space, that's fine. If you want to, on this one, if you're like, okay, well, I want to make a vase that has some negative space in it and it's going to actually have holes in it like a donut, right? But I want to have 3 holes. And if these are actually holes, then these are the negative space, right? And this is the positive space. All right, thanks everybody.